So I probably should have something to clamp this with, but I don't. Welcome back to Movie Masters, although I have decided to rebrand the channel because you cannot find the word Movie Masters when you type in my name. So I decided just to do Carl Tomich Tech Reviews. So that's how I'll be introducing this from now on. Now, I want to talk about something that I have talked about a few times before, and this is the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now, if you've seen in my other video, well, they broke.
The amount of plastic between the button. And you can also see online here, there's also forums where this has happened to other people. It's not just me. Now, I was left dumbfounded because I'd been wearing my glasses, I'd put them down on the counter. As far as I knew, the last time I touched them, they were working. I then go to pick them up later, and I noticed there's a crack in my glasses, and I hadn't dropped them. So I was wondering, what the hell is going on here?
What I wanted to do was try to repair them myself, because Ray-Ban won't fix them for me, even though it's a design flaw. But I'm pretty sure I've actually figured out what is wrong with it, and other than where the plastic seems to have buckled under pressure, I don't think the glasses themselves are actually broken. So I've taken apart the two screws and this just comes right out. Now on one end, now I'll zoom in on a different shot and show you a proper breakdown of this, but on one end there is, I don't know what you'd call it, like a little clip-on board, and that seems to have just come out of the place, and I'm pretty sure once I click it back in, I might be able to get these things working. So I won't be buying another pair of these, but I am gonna do a little tear apart and see if I can fix them myself. Look, let's just get to it. Now to do this, I watched a video online, and that's how we all learn things, just like you're watching now. They use a Stanley knife, or I've got a scalpel kind of thing, which should be very sharp. And we're literally going to cut right down the middle. And then when we open this up, the hard part's going to be getting it back together. Now, I probably know that I probably won't be able to get it back together, but if I can get it to work, well, it's more of a challenge to myself. So we will slice down the middle here, and then if I can connect this ribbon back to the thing that it's come off, it should be working. I'm going to move over to the cutting station, and we're going to give this a go. So let's give it a go. So I probably should have something to clamp this with, but I don't. So you're going to try very slowly to cut this open. Okay, there's the battery inside, and that's the hinge that's come undone. So all we need to do is reattach this hinge here to this inside bit. Now I don't have any tools, so this slides in here. I'm going to try once more to put this right. Okay. That is the furthest I've got. Got nothing to lose. If they don't work, they just become glasses. This is Gorilla Glue in about 10 seconds. It's meant to say 24 hours for like a proper hold, but I don't want to spend any more money on something that's probably not going to work. Put glue in there. press them together. Look, there's still a little tiny kink, but it's just gonna have to do. We'll see if this works. Put them in their case. Give them a bit of charge.
In one of my last videos, I had explained how my Ray-Ban Metas had just broken on their own. Now, I've been kind of sending an email war with Luxottica and Ray-Ban, and look, they weren't being very helpful. Even though they've helped other people that have had the same problem, I guess because I bought mine in another country, they don't want to help me. So I tried to take matters into my own hands and try to fix this. You've seen what happened before. It is the moment of truth to see, could I repair the Ray-Ban Metas?
Sunnies, mate. Sunnies. Sunnies. I keep falling off my face.
Hey Meta, you suck. They don't work. But at least they're kind of like, I can still use them as glasses. Now I don't have to worry about getting them wet anymore because they're already broken. But look, why waste a good pair of sunglasses? They might look a little creepy because they have a camera in them, although most people don't notice that. But look, I'm gonna wear these until they break even more. They're still Ray-Bans, although at the end of the day, I must admit, I'm a little disappointed. I'm not sure if the battery is short-circuited, whether there's a pressure sensor. I put the clip back together. Look, I don't know, but it's a bit of a sunken cost fallacy. I just wanted to see, could I get them working? If they didn't work, well, I've still got some sunglasses.